Hi there, it's Jane with Pole Fit Nation, and today I'm going to show you a really cute transition that you can do on the floor. It looks like this. So I like to use this when I'm coming down from the pole and landing on my back. So any kind of spin that has me landing on my back, or transition from the top of the pole down to the floor that has me landing on my back. For example, if I'm doing like a sliding scorpion, or I'm snaking out of an invert, anything that has me onto my back, it's a great way to get from your back to a sitting up position. Here's the breakdown. So you're gonna have the pole at your belly button height. Inside hand is going to come palm up to the ceiling, and you're going to use this little L spot of your hand. It's going to go right into the pole between the thumb and the index finger. We're going to go underneath the arm, and the legs are going to go to the side. So we're going to, pushing off the hand, we're going to bring the legs up, around, and slide. Let's look at that again. Inside hand up, palm up to the ceiling, the L position of your hand, hand to the side. Sometimes I'll bend my leg and push off as well. So I'm going to push up, around, and through, sliding on your hip.